Hey there people, I'm going to show you my mid-spring backyard. There's some veggies, some flowers, some succulents, some herbs and a little black brindle cat. I hope you like it. Stay tuned. Hello Pookie. I have a fascination for geraniums. There's heaps of them in my garden, and these are pretty white ones that this year have gone pale pink. Now, it's probably because of climate change. My mum's roses are the same, so we'll see what happens there. Here we have my biggest tomato plant. It's booming. You can see that it's got some flowers on it already. We can see there it's a tomato red fig. So that should be a beauty. Now we've got some other tomatoes growing down here. They're all from last year, and they could be Tom Thumb, or they could be the yellow grape mini ones from the supermarket. We've also got some basil, some more basil, some spring onions. Here we have another tomato plant that's come up from seed in the compost, and also some zucchinis that I've planted. I got them from Bunnings. They're looking pretty good. It should keep really nice and protected in this half a pickle pot. Often I've had them before in the backyard and cats have run into them and knocked the whole bush flying, so that won't happen now. This has been an awesome crop this year. Kale. So I've had a lot of luck with this kale this year. It's been a boomer. These two plants have been boomer plants for me. I've harvested a lot from them, as you can probably see, and there's a lot yet to come. Also in the same pot, I've planted beautiful all-season carrots, and you can see them coming up. Also we've got spring onion and some tomatoes. Pookie's sitting next to the goddess Tara. She's looking beautiful. She's the goddess that supervises the colour green, and she's the wife of the Thai Buddha. Here we have the little above ground planter. It's awesome for sticking in seasonal vegetables, and I continuously grow the plant at the back, which I can't remember the name, and I'll write it on the screen anyway. It's flowering, going to flower soon. We've got some parsley going to seed at the front. That's looking beautiful. Isn't that spectacular? That attracts a lot of bees and pollinators. We've got some oregano down here, and some spinach, and we've got both spring onion and what's it called, chives. I walk around the back garden in my Hello Kitty slippers. I think they're super cute. Maybe not with these socks, but anyway. I've got a lemonade tree which has been going to flower, and you can see there's fruit starting to appear on it. Some of them are looking quite delicious. I think we saw a bigger one the other day, but I don't know where it's gone. Yeah, that's something I look forward to, lemonade fruit. If you don't know what it is, look it up. At the back here we have a hibiscus bush which will be in flower later in this year. The potting table needs a bit of a makeover. Also have another potting table here which I hope to have a makeover of any day now. In the garden there's just a collection of pretty flowers and succulents and geraniums. We've got some daisies, and there's a huge happy plant here. I've got a little tiny tank. I need to sort of clean it out and I really don't know how, but that helps me water the garden. Miss Pookie comes outside with me during when I come out to garden, and I supervise her. She's an indoor cat and she's not allowed outside, so when she comes outside I have to keep an eye on her just like you would a little child, and say no, you can't go there, and pick her up and cuddle her. Hey little Pookie, have you had a nice day in the garden today, Pookie? You're still wondering about the birds? What are they saying to you? Not much? We've got my wonderful clothesline and a huge big money tree. I don't know how much money it brings me, but I'm happy. Got a pot ready to put some things in. This is where the seasonal violets grow, and we've got some nasturtiums here and some aloe vera and some happy plant which has just finished flowering, and here we have a lover's statue and some more flowering parsley and a beautiful mirror which brings a lot of joy to me, and I play around with myself in it a lot. So bye for now, people.